Hey guys, Operation RV back here again with another cool video. What I wanted to do is, I couldn't resist, but I did need to add a counterpart to my bullet pen that I made previously and my prior video to carry along with my EDC. This one I will be making, it's a mechanical pencil style bullet mechanical pencil. Again, out of our 308 spent casings here, so it will match. And real quick, I did not mention in my other video, but here you will need a 7mm bit to drill out the casing. If there are a spent primer, those do need to be ejected, and then put a 7mm drill bit through that. And right here at the back side where the stamping is, just do a light sanding, maybe on a 600, 800 grit. It don't got to be a lot. As you can still see, the 308 762 by 51 mark still on there. It's just scratched a little bit. This helps with the mechanisms when it's put together, just so it works a little bit more efficient. All right, so let's get started. This right here is going to be the cap of the mechanical pencil here that protects the eraser. This is the center piece, which is the decorative portion that will combine each lower and upper part of your casing. This here is our famous brass clip, and this mechanism actually goes into the pointer piece here and with the bottom part of the cartridge, so your mechanical pencil can screw in and screw out. And of course this is the cap here that holds the clip to the upper casing. Alright, so let's get started. Just like before, my other video, you can use a vise, whatever. I kind of insist on using this, a little bit easier, and works pretty good. So let's go ahead and back this out a little bit. Set this here. Move one of these out of the way for us. And let's get started. Alright, so guys, what we want to do is want to go ahead and have this portion right here inserted into the bottom part of the pencil casing that we'll be using. And just line it up, make sure it's square. And you can see right here in a minute when I start squeezing this together, it'll actually start inserting to the pencil. Alright, we're almost there. There we have it. That's simple. Go ahead and back out. So that's what it will look like. And what this does is when you put your pencil mechanism inside here, this piece, just like our pen, a little different is there's threads that will actually hold them both together, like so. So let's go ahead and take this back out so we can start on the rest of the pencil. And this cartridge is part of the cross pencil set, and inside you can hear there are multiple pieces of lead. Pretty simple to refill. Just go ahead and unscrew this right here, and then you can add all your pencil lead and along with the eraser. You can put them in that way too. Alright, so let's get started. So we did the bottom portion. Let's go ahead and do the top portion. What this consists of is just making sure you get your clip here. Put that on top of the pencil, like that. Grab your pencil cap. Unlike the pen, this one is hollow because the eraser portion needs to stick out. And we're going to set that right on top here. And let's get our device here set up and ready. Alright, now that that's lined up, go ahead and push this up there, like so. And see if we can get a good video of this being pressed together. Okay, you guys watch right there as I start squeezing this in there. Sorry, folks. And it's going in right there, just like that. Go ahead and press that in there firmly until it stops. Go ahead and back this back out. Alright, so here is the top portion now with the clip, hollow part of the cap. So let's start putting some of this stuff together. Here's the bottom portion of the 308 mechanical pencil. Go ahead and insert your pencil cartridge. Go ahead and put on your cap here. This is a decorative piece that I explained before. Just slide on the bottom portion. Like so. Put on your pencil cap. There we have it, guys. That's seriously it right here. I got my new addition now to my pen. And as you see, right here at the end, let's see. There's my pencil. So this is another wonderful addition of my pen that I want to add to my EDC here. And what's really cool is it's all brass. This will make a very good gift for somebody. And always, you know, it's just something else that commemorates people who like to shoot, anyone in the military, police, or just your regular hobbyist who likes, you know, firearms. And again, guys, I really appreciate y'all tuning in again and checking everything out. I hope you guys like my video. As always, like and subscribe. And always, thanks for watching. See you next time.